Mike, tell us about this room and what you did and what the game plan is.
So this is going to be the master bedroom. My bed's going to go here with my nice big window. I finished sheetrocking this. I put a ceiling fan up there because you don't want to put recessed lights in here. It's kind of small for recessed lights. I'm going to have a doorway to a walk-in closet there and a doorway into a master bathroom there. So we come in here today. I'm going to build the wall here, parting wall between the master bedroom closet, the walk-in closet, and the master bathroom. I'll have a double vanity here. I'll have a toilet here, like sitting down this way. There'll be a wall here where you walk in the shower. You'll have a bench back there, a niche there, shower diverter here, and we'll put the exhaust fan in. I'll re-insulate because they just have R19. You need at least R38. We'll attach that. We'll run the exhaust fan into my soffit over there. I'll tie it in once I do the sodding outside. We'll run a 2-inch PVC line for our vent. I'm just going to drop it in this wall because my drain lines for my lab and everything will be in this wall. So we'll just vent it up and pop it through. Maybe not today since it's raining, but I'll have a piece down here so at least I can sheetrock the ceiling and get this all, keep the birds out. So that's what we're going to do today.
Sweet. All right, so I got a bunch of footage of me and Mike standing around pointing at stuff for a while because we had an original plan for the bathroom and we realized that probably wasn't going to work. So tell the fans the original plan for the bathroom, Mike.
All right, the original plan, if you look at, let's start with here. We got this, the end of the old house and you have the addition. So I didn't feel like moving that load-bearing wall, so I went with these two doorways center between. So I landed this sill plate here. I'm going to put a wall here to divide the bathroom to the closet. So the original plan was, so like that's what I'm stuck with working with that, unless I move the beam over. But the original plan was to put a toilet here, and then a wall with a bench here, and then the shower doors here.
A shower bench.
Yeah, and then the shower doors here with the shower diverter, and then put the vanity here. But the problem was you're going to build a wall here for the shower diverter. You're not going to be able to get around the vanity, and you will. It's be awkward to get back in here.
Right, you're going to be zigzagging your way into the bathroom.
So
we decided to change it up.
We changed we thought about a bunch of different things. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the toilet where Rich is standing now. Why don't you back up and we're in over there. We're going to put the toilet in where Rich is standing here now, probably facing like this way or this way, whatever way I want. I'm going to have a double vanity. There's going to be a mini wall here where the shower doors are going to be here with the shower diverter, and there's going to be a bench back in that corner. And then when you walk in the bathroom, you always got to think of your in swing or your out swing of the door.
How you doing?
And where you want to put your light switch. So thankfully we're going to have this little wall here because there's going to be a bench there. I'm going to put my light switch right on that wall for the bathroom.
That's perfect. And then you get a straight shot into the...
Now we have a straight shot into it because I have the toilet over in that corner. I'm not going to be trying to get around the vanity, and I'm going to have the vanity here. Also, I framed this window in like 6 months ago with the original plan, but since I'm going to have a vanity here, I'll just have a window outside where the vanity is so I can brush my teeth and watch Dan drink a bunch of beers in the backyard. So, that's what we're going with.
All right, so we got the wall framed in now, and Mike is starting. Well, I mean, you got the bottom of the shower bay framed in. Ran out of 2x4s, so we gotta go depot. And Mike's still thinking about things. Would not surprise me if we end up changing the layout again. But
I'm thinking.
he's thinking. All right, but fried chicken sandwiches for lunch today, I think, is the move.
I wish I was in the land of where?
Going somewhere.
May I remind you, sir, that physical violence is tasty. Yeah! Did you order original recipe or extra crispy?
I'm gonna get fried chicken.
Or fried chicken.
Yeah, chicken basket.
All right, wrapped up for the day. What do we got, Mike?
We got our bathroom half framed, ceiling ready to go. I just gotta put the exhaust fan up still and insulate. I got my wall framed here. I ran out of nails, so I have to add 2 more pieces there. I got my little wall there for the bench in the corner. It's gonna be a shower door here. Shower door there. The bench in that back corner. We'll have our vanity back here. Toilet here. I'll have an exhaust fan here for the bathroom. I'll have a recessed light in there, and then I'll have a light over top the double vanity. I still got to run my electric a little bit, but it's not a big deal. And then
Let's take a look at the closet.
we got most of the closet kind of. Of course, I ran out of sheetrock, so this is a walk-in closet.
It's pretty big.
It is a big closet, but I only have 1 outlet here. I have 2 recessed lights. You don't need to go too crazy with that. Put that in the dumpster. So yeah, and then I'll put a low voltage box here. I'm just gonna keep the Verizon or whatever right in this corner because it's right on the outside wall, so I'm not moving it. I don't feel like moving it all over the place or whatever. So
All right.
it's just a closet. If someone sees it in there, it ain't a big deal. And then we'll get it spackled and ready to go. We'll build shelves later or something. So
Sweet. Master bed coming along real nice.
almost done sheetrocking.
What did you said it last time? You got a lot of mostas.
Yeah.
Look who knows so much, huh? Well, it just so happens that your friend here is only mostly dead. There's a big difference between mostly dead and all dead. Please open his mouth.
Most a lot of it.
Most a lot of
I
done.
ran out of a lot of,
Yeah.
and that's it.